Welcome to Treasures of Love. Thanks for being here. Today I'm going to make a Mother's Day gift for my mom. I have a vase here, which is a matte mold, and then I have a tray, a trinket tray that I'm going to create for her. A little set, and then I'll put some goodies in the vase, and then I'll ship it off to her. Her favorite color is yellow, so I have this Let's Resin Squishies Color Paste Yellow. I hope it's the same as regular paste. We'll find out if it works, because she likes the what is it? The Beetle, Volkswagen Beetle yellow. So it's kind of like a pale yellow, or she likes the bright lemon one. And then I have mica powder, gold yellow, which I'm going to mix. And then for the tray, since the vase is a matte mold, glitter won't really show up. So the tray will have some glitter and some sparkle, and then some diamond powder. And then I'm going to have white, so it's going to be like a marble of gray, yellow, and white for the vase. And then the tray, I haven't decided yet if it's going to be just all yellow with shimmer, or if I'm going to marble it too. I might end up doing both ways. So I'm going to make it's probably going to take about 10 ounces of resin, and 1:1 epoxy resin. And I'm going to get that mixed up for you right now. All right, now I'm ready to do the pour. I'm gonna do a dirty pour. So what that is you put your colors, layer your colors one on top of the other into another cup. So whatever hits first is what shows on the silicone mold. Okay. Let me see which one I want to do. I don't want that much gray. I want it more the white and yellow. So I'll start with yellow. And then the gray. Sorry, the white. And then the gray. Okay. Just spritz that. All right, so now I'm gonna pour it in. And I'm going to do it again until it's full. This time I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna do the white first. Then the gray. And then the yellow. All right, hope I have enough. I thought this was 5 ounces. This is exactly 5 ounces. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. Got a little seasick there for a second. Sorry. And I'm about 2 ounces short. So this takes 7 ounces. Alright, let's create some more. Definitely need more white. I think I'm just gonna do the white and the yellow at this point. White. Yellow. Because there's daisies all along this, all along the side. Alright, I mixed up some more and I'm going to just gonna drop it into the white. Alright, pours away. Really. Okay, that's domed. Okay. Alright, so alright. Yeah. Okay. I had to pour it in off camera because it was getting very hot and very thick while I was making up the other I'd say 2 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in. I just went with the all white. Just figured it'd be pretty. I did put a little bit of the yellow glitter in just to see what it would look like. And it had a green hue to it. And I was like, no. I was like, it's not a pretty yellow. It's a yellow green. Alright. I think that's dome. Oops. Add a little here. It's a little too high here. I think I might have to prop it up. hanging off a little bit. Okay. Okay, let me just get around the edge. Of course, I did it all the way too high. At least it doesn't have a lip, so it shouldn't get any bubbles. Just want to make sure it gets all around. Of course, cat hair. Since it's super high, I am not going to spray it with water. I mean, with alcohol spritz it. I'm just going to go over it with the lighter. Of course, I see something glitter. A piece of red glitter. Okay. All right, just gonna let it cure. I'm gonna turn on the heat mat as soon as I clean up, and 2 hours I should be able to demold it. So I'll be back. Okay, everything is ready to demold. Start with these little faceted jewels, extra stuff. I put the glitter in it, so I wanted to see what it looked like. All right. You know what? It's still too warm. It's still too hot. This one I think is okay. The tray, it's still too hot. I have to wait for it to cool down. All right. So we have the yellow, the white, a little bit of white, a touch of gray. Looks good. Kind of wish the yellow was a little brighter, but I don't have that color. So once I bling it up, it will look beautiful. All right, everything is finished. The extras, I didn't really do anything to them. I kind of screwed up the other pair I was making as earrings, and I screwed those up, so those are in the trash. But this came out perfect. So here's the tray. I did have one bubble, and I fixed that. It was right there. I just filled it in and then filed it down so it's smooth. And then I just put on some yellow rhinestones, trimmed the bottom. And then here is the vase. I put rhinestones on it, trimmed the bottom, and then I put rhinestones around the top. So the tray will go like this, and then I'll put some goodies in it, and then I'll wrap it and then ship it. So this is it. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.
The morning light finds a window pane, while the workbench holds a steady hand, mixing the liquid that captures the sun within the mold where the magic is planned. A pour of